welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's do strawberry watermelon fresh juice. Oh yeah, so I will be using this watermelon, ginger and strawberry to make this fresh organic watermelon strawberry juice. Yeah, so the first thing I did was to wash the watermelon, and now I am cutting the watermelon. So now the next thing I did was to scoop out the fresh watermelon. So I did this process, fill up the container with a freshly scooped watermelon. Oh yes. So now I have the scooped watermelon inside the blender. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to wash the strawberries and also to cut the strawberries. So I have those strawberries in the bowl already washed, and I will be putting that in another container. Yeah. So now I have the fresh strawberries washed. I have the scooped watermelon, and the next thing I will be doing now is to cut the ginger. This is actually the ginger. So I went ahead to blend the first set of the strawberry watermelon. I added the ginger, I added the strawberries, and now I am blending the fresh juice. And this is actually ready. I've done the first set of the fresh strawberry watermelon juice. And the next thing I will be doing now is to go ahead and do the second batch. Oh yes. So I have everything scooped into the blender, and now I blended the second set of the strawberry watermelon fresh juice. Oh yes. So I have this ready, trying to pour everything into a container to ensure that this is actually fresh. So I have this ready. Yeah, I poured some ice. Let's try out this fresh strawberry watermelon juice. And I will be having my daughter to taste and tell us how this actually looks. So this is done. Try this recipe out and let me know what you think. So I have my daughter trying out the fresh strawberry watermelon juice. Yeah, this is sweet. Try this out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.